What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into Hostinger's VPS hosting. I'm going to walk you through what it offers, why it's a massive upgrade for your website, and most importantly, how to secure the absolute lowest price possible. Now, if you want to get straight to the savings, listen closely. I have a specific link in the video description. If you click that, it doesn't just give you the standard sale price, it actually stacks an additional 10% discount on top of whatever existing deals Hostinger is running any time of the year. You won't see this extra 10% if you just go to their site normally, so make sure you use that link to lock it in. It's important to note that Hostinger has become one of the top platforms for VPS hosting globally. But why should you trust it? Well, after testing dozens of servers, I've found Hostinger hits the sweet spot of performance and simplicity. The biggest game changer right now is their AI assistant powered by MCP. Traditionally, managing a VPS was a nightmare for beginners. You needed to know Linux terminal commands just to change a setting. Now, you have your own AI agent that manages your VPS for you. You can ask it to install software, find errors, or optimize your configuration. It's like having a system administrator on call 24/7 included in your plan. If you're running a data-intensive project or a high-traffic site, hardware matters. Hostinger uses AMD EPYC processors and NVMe SSD storage. This isn't your standard cheap hosting. This is enterprise-grade gear. You're also getting 1 gigabit N1 network speed, which means zero lag and blazing fast load times for your visitors. Plus, they have data centers worldwide from North America to Asia. Pro tip, choose the server location closest to your audience to get those latency numbers down as low as 58 ms. Let's look at the current New Year's sale, keeping in mind that my link adds that extra 10% on top of these prices. KVM1, starting at just $4.99 per month, you get 1 vCPU, 4 gigabytes of RAM, and 50 gigabytes of NVMe space. It's the perfect entry-level powerhouse. KVM2, the bestseller. This is only $6.99 per month, and they're throwing in 2 months for free. You get 8 gigabytes of RAM and 8 terabytes of bandwidth. If you're serious about growth, this is the one to pick. KVM8, for the high rollers. This features 32 gigabytes of RAM and 8 vCPU cores for $19.99 per month. All these plans include free weekly backups and snapshots, so you never have to worry about losing your data. As for my recommendation, if you want the smoothest experience with that AI assistant and enough power to handle heavy traffic, the KVM2 plan is the best bang for your buck. It's robust enough for almost any application, but still priced like a budget plan. Now, I want to provide some extra value for those of you who might have very specific needs. While Hostinger is my top pick for value and AI features, I know some developers prefer different environments. I've included a link to Hostinger VPS Alternatives in the description as well. Whether you need unmanaged bare metal or a different cloud architecture, check that list to compare and see what fits your specific project best. That's it for today. Hostinger is making VPS hosting accessible to everyone, and with the AI agent, you don't need to be a tech genius to run a pro-level server. Just a reminder, to get that additional 10% off on top of the 61 to 67% discounts, use the link in the description below. If you have any questions at all, drop a comment. I try to respond to everyone. Please like and subscribe if this helped you save some money today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.